This time, we took a client to a charger factory in China. The mission: pick the right commercial chargers for a parking facility serving everyday electric cars. First, stop the production floor. We checked the assembly lines, the workspace, and the stock of key components. That told us right away whether they can deliver steadily. Next, quality control in action. DC fast chargers under full load, AC leakage tests, and thermal imaging after sustained operation. The test bench never lies.